Got a toilet that's leaking and clogged valve. Pulled out a cap. It's a freaking cap, man. Did you by chance put something like a cap down the drain or anything like that?
No.
All good now. Now, let's see what's making this toilet leak. Okay, the leak is coming from tank bolts. You can see it right there. You can see it dripping right now.
It's leaking a lot.
Yeah, it's from the tank bolts. They're just loose as a goose. Put a pair of vice grips on that. I tried tightening it up here, and this washer is just crusty. It's done. I'm gonna have to take this apart and just redo them. Crusty. This will do the trick. Might as well change that out. I don't know if this one will work though. We'll see. I think this one's too small. No leaks. No leaks. Still drip. Now for the toilet paper test. All good? All good. That's the 4th time I've done that. Uh-oh. I didn't do that.